Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Premiere Pro to fix green screen edges with matte cleanup step by step clearly. Open Premiere Pro on your computer. Navigate to the top menu and click on Help. Select Updates from the drop-down menu. A window will appear, showing available updates for your software. If an update is available, click on the Update button. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version. Once the update is complete, restart Premiere Pro. Open the project that contains the green screen footage. Select the clip with the green screen in your timeline. Go to the Effects panel located on the right side of your screen. Search for the Ultra Key effect. Drag the Ultra Key effect onto your green screen clip. In the Effect Controls panel, find the Ultra Key options. Use the eyedropper tool to select the green screen color. Adjust the matte generation settings to refine the key. Increase transparency to remove any remaining green. Use the matte cleanup settings to smooth out the edges. Fine-tune the choke and soften sliders for best results. Preview your changes to ensure the green edges are adequately cleaned up. If needed, adjust the settings further until satisfied. Once you're happy with the results, save your project. You have now updated Premiere Pro and cleaned up the green screen edges effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.